No sound when someone calls you on your iPhone? Before you assume there's a hardware problem, try these quick fixes. First, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes fix temporary audio or system issues. If you're still not hearing incoming calls, check your Bluetooth connection. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Press and hold the Bluetooth control to see your active connections. Your iPhone could be connected to AirPods, a car, or another Bluetooth speaker, causing the call audio to be routed somewhere else. To completely turn Bluetooth off, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and switch it off. Now, have someone call you again and check if the ringtone or call audio is working. Still no sound? Check your audio balance. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then select Audio and Visual. Look for the balance slider and make sure it's positioned directly in the center. If it's pushed too far to one side, audio from one channel can be significantly reduced. After moving the slider to the center, test your iPhone with another incoming call. Also, make sure your ring/silent setting and ringtone volume aren't muted or turned all the way down. If none of these fixes work, the issue could be related to the iPhone's speaker or another hardware problem, and you may need further support. And that's how you can troubleshoot no sound for incoming calls on your iPhone.